Today we're prepping these high-tech trash cans for their future tomato tenants. You might say we're rolling out the red carpet for them. Actually, it's just dirt, but it's fancy dirt. I got a shack full of tenants, been living there without any wet utilities, and I need to evict them long enough to do some work on the shack. So I take the time and move them outside. See that tangled wad of hoses and connectors? That's what stands between our tomatoes and a tragic drought. This system keeps our plants hydrated no matter how lazy or forgetful we get. We'll start off under Fred Flintstone's car here in the shop and get everything prepped and ready. We're replacing an old-timer system you see on the left with a new one that I got from Lowe's for $69 and a couple individual zone timers. After a few moments and some mounting challenges, we get it operating, remembering our motto, measure twice, cut once, and swear silently. Each of these zones connects to a splitter that gives me control over different areas of the garden. With our watering system ready to go, it's time to wake up the soil and start getting it ready. As you can see, I'm really fast at this. I'm really mixing a little sand into the containers just to raise the level of material in our tomato paradise. Here's a little organic tomato food to help provide them a nutritious snack. And then I add a little water. I like to use these little sprinklers that I can set really low and not water the leaves and turn off individually if needed. Then I add a very small amount of bone meal, making sure it's mixed in well and deep so that it won't burn the roots. And then I water a little more before I do the final churning of the soil. And here's the high-end tomato condos ready for their new tenants, who have had it rough the past few days, crowded and forced to live with an annoying fan blowing on them a few hours a day that makes their stems stronger and even promotes root growth. Every once in a while I move them outside to the real world for a process called hardening that makes them tough and changes the look of the leaves from the smooth to a bit crinkled up before leaving the nursery and hitting the adult life. I show them pictures of past generations, but not pictures like this. More family pictures of the tomatoes, and I start introducing them to the peppers that'll soon be living next to them in their container area. Watch for that video, and if you like this one, give me a like. Thanks for watching.